How to sew a button on pants? Let me show you. Find a matching button. But for this video I will use a different button so you can clearly see how it's done. Push the threaded needle through the fabric. Start on the right side so the knot will not be seen. Put the button. Place a toothpick on the button between the holes. Secure the button and the toothpick on it in place with a piece of clear tape so it doesn't move. It will create some room under the button so the button will not be sewn too tight to the fabric. Push the needle through one hole in the button and now push the needle down through the next hole and through the fabric. Stitch through each hole 5-6 times, making sure the button is securely in place. Remove the tape and continue with the other two holes. Come up with the needle underneath the button. Wrap the thread a few times around the stitching underneath the button. This will create some kind of shank. Now take the thread back on the wrong side and make a few secure stitches to prevent the thread from unraveling.